English alphabet for kids. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for hat. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watch. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zebra. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share for more exciting videos.